What have you been up to, Kyle?
This is the morning of day 2 in Djibouti City.
Day 2 pre-trip.
Pre-trip. We arrived in Djibouti City yesterday before lunch.
Hello. Kyle has once again gotten a ride.
It was a slow day. We were all exhausted. We woke up early, went out to the beach for sunrise, and now we're getting croissants and cafe. A little French restaurant we found on the street. Yeah, we're right across from Planet Hollywood, which kind of weirds me out.
Ok, merci.
Ok, merci beaucoup.
Oui, monsieur. C'est zone militaire ici. C'est zone militaire.
She's riding your bicycle.
There he is.
Wait, hold on. Wait! He's gonna count to 3.
And then we all go in. Kyle's pal's kind of taking over the room.
What's up?
Your pal's kind of taking over the room.
Oh yeah. It's amazing how all this fits on my bicycle and then you unpack it's just everywhere. Yeah, I'm actually nervous now because for the first time I'm starting to realize how hard it's going to be to get out to the lake to start. And perhaps anyone who takes me there is not going to be too keen on driving away and leaving me behind. I haven't even left yet. There's already parts of my bicycle held together by rope. I have no idea if this thing's gonna make it. Like, I feel like I'm prepared, but who in their right mind is gonna take me out to one of the hottest places on planet Earth and leave me for dead? So this entire place is just salt. It's unbelievable. This is Lake Assal. It's the lowest point on the African continent. This is where I'm starting the ride. I'm gonna dip dip the back tire into the water just a little bit. It's so salty, I actually don't want the salt on any of the metal parts of the bicycle, but I'll put the rubber back into there. I think I have about a 200-meter climb and about a 50 or 60 kilometer ride to get out of here. And it's really windy and it's gonna suck. But this is the beginning of the trip after months and months of planning. Hopefully I'll be in Kilimanjaro in 3 months. So windy here, pointing uphill. I had to walk the bicycle, I couldn't even ride into the wind. It wasn't even a matter of speed, it was balance. I was going so slow that I was just swerving back and forth. It's actually faster to walk. It's so hot and so windy here that I just can't push on. I can't have my water supply run out. Just climbing up this hill into the headwind. It's just not practical. Low to High Africa, day 1. Getting pretty high above the lake now. Evening of day 1. I found these rock shelters. They just sprung up as soon as you get out of the deep depression that is the Lake Assal. On top of it, these things are everywhere. I mean, they're only 3 feet high. They don't have roofs. They're just little windbreaks, I guess, but I'm grateful for it. I'm gonna sit here and have some food. I've been pedaling about 3.5 hours. You know, I took a break, but the time I've actually been on the road and spinning the tires, it's been 3.5 hours. And I haven't even made it the 17 kilometers from the lake to the junction point. So, I'm moving slow. This headwind's making all the difference. This rock shelter is perfect, but the clock is ticking on my Ethiopian visa, so I think I'm gonna push on. I pitched my tent. I'm actually in a nice, soft, sandy spot, surrounded by acacia trees. I'm not putting my rainfly on because I want to be able to see out, but this is where I'm settling for the night, so I'm gonna get some sleep, get a really early start. So, you know, the border's not impossible. It's just gonna be a bit more riding tomorrow before I get there.